Alright, what's up guys? I'm gonna tell you in this video how to make your first $100,000 online. Uh, and the way that you're gonna be able to make your first $100,000 online is, number one, you gotta have a business to promote, you have to have a product to promote, or a service to promote, right? Or you can have all three. I know for my team, our primary business is email processing system, and the reason why we chose that is because it's one of the easiest business to get into profit mode. You know, no monthly fees, and you earn $100 straight to your PayPal the minute you make a sale. So it's only a one-time fee of $100 to get started, and you plug into the training platform, and that training platform teaches you how to market your business and how to get sales. But the only way to make like six figures a year, right, to make your first $100,000 is this. Number one, you can't procrastinate at all, right? You got to have a daily action plan, a daily action plan that you can follow each and every day to grow your business, to grow your brand, and most importantly, to grow your traffic and your leads. You know, because without having leads, you can't have customers, and if you don't have customers, there's no way for you to generate the sales that you want to generate to make $100,000 a year. So that's first and foremost. You got to be consistent, and you got to be a hard worker. Number two, you got to think with a positive mindset, right? There's going to be ups and downs in your business, right? There's going to be days that are harder than others for you to get going. There's going to be days where you may experience some type of criticism or some type of hater saying something to you that may get you discouraged. There's going to be days where maybe you're going to have to deal with some like opposition from your family, or criticism from friends. So make sure that you're always positive, and you basically want to tune out the haters, tune out the critics, tune out the people who don't understand why you're trying to make money online, or why you're going after your dreams, or why you're focused on turning your dreams into a reality. There will be always people who will come against that, especially if they see talent and if they see a gift within you. So you got to tune that out. You got to block that out, and you got to think positively, and you got to stay focused on your vision, focused on your mission, whatever that may be. Maybe your vision is to quit your job someday. Maybe your vision is to earn extra $100,000 on the side of your job every year. Maybe your vision is to help other people make money online. Maybe your vision is to become a public speaker. Maybe your vision is to do music. Maybe your vision is to, I don't know, someday earn an Oscar. I don't know what your vision is, but whatever your vision is, you got to stay laser focused on that vision, and tune out anything that discourages you from that vision. Tune out anything that's in the way of you accomplishing that vision and that goal. It's a must, right? It's a must, because the faster you could tune out those things, the faster you're going to accomplish what you want to accomplish, and the faster you're going to turn your haters into supporters, right? I love turning my haters into supporters and turning my critics into fans, because a lot of times the people who may be hating on you and criticizing you online are the very same people that want to take a picture with you when they see you in person, right? They're the very same people who, they're clapping and they're praising you when you actually accomplish your goals. So don't let a person's lack mindset rub off on you, or don't let another person's negative mindset rub off on you. So that's the second thing. You got to think positive as much as possible, right? You got to be positive, and you got to be an action taker, right? And that's really what faith is. Being a positive action taker is what makes faith. So the third and final thing I'm going to talk about in this video to make your first $100,000 online is you have to know your numbers, right? And I think the way that you know your numbers, like, not that I think, I know, the way that you know your numbers is by paying attention to the details in your business, right? Paying attention to the details in your business. So what that means is when you're following your daily action plan, you want to be consistent in that. And the reason why you want to be consistent in that is because your daily action plan is going to generate a certain amount of leads for you on a daily basis. And those leads that you generate on a daily basis, you're going to be able to figure out the average number of leads that you're getting every single day, right? So the way that you would figure out the average number of leads you're getting per day is you take every single day, right? You add up all the leads that you get every day for over the course of a month, right? So let's say there's 30 days in a month, right? For example, or 31 days. So let's just average it out to 30 days in a month. So let's say from the first day all the way up to the 30th day in the month, you add up all those leads for each and every day. So you should get 30 different numbers, right? Or 30 numbers, right, in total. You add up all those numbers and you divide it by 30, right? You divide it by 30, and that's going to tell you your average daily amount of leads that you're generating. Now, once you know that number, you know your average amount of leads that you're getting per day. So you know if you may want to increase your traffic so that you can get more leads a day. That will tell you if you should if you're able to probably take a break for like a week if you want. Maybe your leads, you're doing way over what you expected to do. So once you know your average daily leads, then you can focus on how much sales you're getting per day or how much sales you're getting per week in your business. And once you understand once you know the number of sales you're getting each day or the number of sales you're getting each week, then you can do the same thing. You can count up the number of sales you're getting every month and divide it by 30, and that will tell you the amount of sales you're getting each and every month. Now, once you get that average amount of sales you're getting per month, you then multiply that number of sales by the cost of the sales that you're getting, right? So let's say you average selling 10 like training courses online, right? And each of those training courses are, let's say, $200, right? So what that basically means is if you're averaging 10 sales per month at $200, that's an average of $2,000 a month. So you know your monthly income just from those sales alone, right? Not talking about any other business you may have running or any other product or service you may have for sale. So once you know it's $2,000 being generated per month, you can know now how to scale up your business to increase or to double that amount of money, right? I hope that's making sense. And then from $2,000, you know, okay, if you want to make $100,000, you would have to 5 times that amount, right? So 5 times the amount of leads and should get you 5 times the amount of sales. And 5 times the amount of sales will equal $2,000 per month times 5, which is $10,000 per month. And then you multiply that by 12 months and you're over your first $100,000 in a year, right? So I just broke that down very fast, but if you need to watch this video again and take notes as you're watching this video, because you have to know your numbers if you want to hit your goals. You know, I ask people a lot and I say, you know, especially people who first get started in making money online on my team, one of the first questions I always ask is, how much money you want to make a month, right? You may say, why is that important? Because if you don't know how much money you want to make a month, you don't have a target or a set goal to reach. And if you don't have a target or a set goal to reach, how can you accomplish it? How can you hit it? You know what I'm saying? So that's basically an example I gave you in this video of how to break down your numbers. Pay attention to the details. You want to figure out your daily average of leads, your monthly average of sales, and then figure out how much money you're making per month. Once you figure out how much money you're making per month on average, you can multiply that by the 12 months in a year, and that's going to tell you what your yearly income is. And that's really, whatever that number is going to tell you if you need to work harder. It's going to tell you if you need to push harder. It's going to tell you if you need to scale up your business. It's going to tell you if you need to scale up your traffic, if you need to scale up talking to people. And I learned all of this stuff. You may be asking, how did I learn all this stuff? Well, I learned all this stuff from the email processing system business. This is what taught me sales psychology. It's what taught me marketing. It's what taught me how to talk to people, brand development, and stuff like that. So I'm sharing the word about email processing system because I'm putting together a movement of entrepreneurs who are highly, highly successful, motivated, and ambitious. People who want to change their life, change their situation. So you can learn more about how to get started on my team by checking out the description in the description below this video, right? So in the comment section below, you'll see in the description below this video, you'll see the link to get started in email processing system. Like I said, it's a one-time fee of $100. You know, and you get access to 3 training courses. It's an educational suite that teaches you business, teaches you marketing, and teaches you sales. And I think this information is more powerful than than actually going to college. And think about going to college, right? There's people who take out loans for hundreds of thousands of dollars. They go to college for something that they don't even do when they graduate college, which is crazy. That you'll be surprised how many people take out these big ass loans and they don't even continue in the career they went to college for. So, that's something to think about. But with this information in EPS, it's hands-on information that you can apply now to your life, to your business, to your finances, to stay financially free, to be financially independent, So check that out. I'll see you later. Peace. Subscribe to my channel.